Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the font style on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. First of all, we need to open the settings. Then you want to scroll down and go to display. And over here we need to find font style, font size and style actually. And here we have the font style. If you select this option, you have several options. But you can also tap on download fonts in order to open the store with fonts, and then you can download a font. You will probably need to get the Samsung account as you will try to download it, but let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, it's actually not for free, so let's skip that. Let me actually try to find free ones. So over here we can switch to free, and there we go. We have several different fonts. Let's say we're gonna choose this one. There we go. So now if I go back, I have it over here on this list, and as you can see, I have a custom font. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.